Types of computers. We would be looking at the classification of computers by size. Please do well to read the PDF in the first module. When classifying computers by size, we consider how large or small they are. Classifying computers based on this, we then have the supercomputer as the largest, followed by mainframes, minicomputers, and microcomputers as the smallest. Supercomputers are the fastest and most powerful types of computers. Not only are they powerful, but are also the largest, as they can be up to 196 centimeters tall with a weight of about 5.5 tons. They are used for weather forecasting, quantum mechanics, oil and gas exploration, online gaming, as servers, nuclear fusion research, and lots more. Mainframes are second largest computers, about 170 centimeters tall and weigh as much as 5 tons. Mini-computers are referred to as mid-range computers, as they are computers of medium power, greater than microcomputers but less than mainframes. That brings us to the desktop computers, laptops, PCs, tablets, mobile phones you use at home. All these are microcomputers. The mobile phone you are presently using is an example of microcomputer. Microcomputers are smaller, cheaper, and weigh less. Technology has made these computers smaller and smaller that maybe, in the future, we might not need a computer the size of even our mobile phones. These computers contain microprocessors, programmable memory, and input and output system. Examples of these computers includes your mobile phones, camera, desktop computer, laptop, palm tops, drones, visual vision glasses, etc. Visual vision glasses has even made computer graphics and images more realistic. Microcomputers are found almost everywhere. Unlike the mainframes and supercomputers that are super heavy and super expensive, microcomputers can be used for communication, graphic designs, presentation, education and research, entertainment, database management, and lots more. Application of computers in different fields. As years pass by, new inventions and upgrades keep happening in the IT world, thus making computers applicable in almost all human fields of study. Some of the fields where computers can be used includes medical field. Here, computers can be used as life support system, operation equipments, to monitor patients, research, and upgrades. They are also applicable in the business area. Majority of buying and selling takes place online. You can even sell and purchase goods right at the comfort of your home. They are also used in the transportation and filming industry. These days, we have self-driving cars, navigation systems, GPS, CGIs, and lots more. In case you don't know what CGI is, you can think of how Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, and other superheroes movies were made. Processing devices. Any device that has the ability to convert data from one form to another in the computer is a processing device. Think of it as you mixing your eggs and ingredients to make egg sauce. In this case, you are the processor. The device in charge of processing data, which is also known as the CPU, collects the data from the user through input devices, converts the data to information, and then displays the results through output devices. The CPU or microprocessor has the arithmetic logic unit and the control circuit for performing computational problems. The RAM is also a processing device. It holds data ANF instructions temporarily while processing is happening. The CPU is the brain of the computer, while the RAM, also known as random access memory, is the working memory to store data for a short amount of time when processing is going on. You can also refer to it as short-term memory storage space. You have to understand that information is lost if the power supply or electricity is cut off. RAM comes in different capacity like 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, and more. So, the higher the RAM, the faster your computer will be and complete a higher amount of tasks at the same time. The ROM is a permanent storage device, which holds programs which are necessary in booting up your PCs, desktop, or phones. The ROM contains all the space to hold your installed apps, photos, videos, songs, and the operating system. Most people know it as phone or computer storage. So, if you are purchasing a computer, Try and get the one with a higher RAM and ROM. Do you know why you don't see the processing devices? It's because they are stored in this rectangular box. This is the CPU tower. Most people simply call it the CPU. If you open this box, you get to see different types of hardwares including the RAM, ROM and CPU. They are all safely packed in this tower. All computational operations take place here. You will see hardwares like storage devices, which are the hard drives, ROM and RAM, the power supply, which brings electricity into your computer, the cooling fan. You should already know what that one does by its name. You also see the street where the CPU lives. Yeah, when you look at the motherboard, it looks like your street. The CPU and other hardware components which I didn't mention can be found in the motherboard. You can take a look at the screen to see other hardwares that can be found in the CPU. One more thing. If you heard me calling hardwares, they are all those parts of the computer you can touch, feel and see, like the ones discussed in this video. So, in our next module, we will be looking at the computer softwares which some of you are curious about. We would talk about the Microsoft Word environment and other word processing packages. Please follow up the lessons accordingly, as every topic will give you a better knowledge about the computer. See you in the next video.